man, it's exciting. Picked my buddy Carl up at, his plane was 7 or 8 hours late at the Anchorage airport. We rolled all the way down here to Seward. We didn't even get here until 4 a.m. in the morning. We slept for 1 hour and now we're heading out in the Gulf of Alaska. We're gonna go spank some big fish, man. Heading out of Seward here this morning, up to the Gulf of Alaska. We're on the hunt for big fish. We're gonna go after halibut, rockfish, lingcod, silver salmon. Combo trip, we're gonna spank them. Oh baby, fish on! Nice big slab silver. That's what I'm talking about. Triple banger, triple banger. Yep, all 4 rods hooked up at the same time. Yeah, baby. Now I'd be talking here. Woo! Nice silver. Woo! It's a firecracker, huh? Yeah, baby. Fish on. Got another one. I gotta get this bait right back down. Down at school right here. I'll take another big slab here, Carl, like that first one I got.
Hey, #1 Alaska, man. Silver salmon, Alaska style.
It's going awesome, man. We've already got half our limit of silvers in about 30 minutes. It's beautiful weather. There's a jumper right next to us. We got whales coming up all around us. Well, we just ran about 50 miles to the east. See Montague Island. We're just not very far from Montague over here at the south end of Cape Clear. Anyway, we're anchoring up here in about 200 feet of water. We're going to drop down and see if we can get some big halibut, maybe some big yellow eye, and hopefully some giant lingcod. Getting some nice butts here. Butterfly jig.
I didn't know you were looking for me. I'm looking for the yellow perch coming up the bottom.
Oh, we just got back. It was pretty rough out on the Gulf of Alaska, but we did pretty good anyway. Got some dandy fish and halibut. Some real beautiful silvers. Check it out. Hey everyone, Alaska Man here. Thanks for joining me on my adventures. Be sure and go to my Facebook page, hit like, Alaska Wild Adventures. You're already on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit like on the video. And come on, join me every week. I'm going to be bringing Alaska to you live. Let's roll.